how to make a good gym fit. Hello everyone, and in today's video I'm basically gonna be going through and just telling you the basic formulation and how to make a good gym fit. The basis. When it comes to a gym fit, there's a little bit of different rules, okay, and procedure and that you're supposed to follow here. When you go to the gym, you can still have drip, but you have to be a little bit more modest or laid back, but there's still a way to make that look good and styleable, so when you're working out, you know, you can still look fire. Now I know what you're thinking, it's the gym, why should I care? I could just throw on some sweats and a regular shirt and then go and probably be fine. And you know what? You'd be right. I know some of you out there want this, need this, so I'm gonna help you out. What makes me qualified? Well, I'll show you. I have a couple good gym fits. This is the main one. I'm just gonna show you. When it comes to making a gym fit, it's good to stay modest, but there's still a way you kind of trickle in some jewelry or a little bit of pieces. Your gym pants are very important. And by pants, I mean sweats. Do not pull up in jeans, okay? Here and there, it's fine. Sometimes, you know, you don't really have enough time. You just gotta kind of go in your gym, regular jeans, it's fine. If you're prepared and you want to go out, it's good to find some wide-legged sweats. Obviously, you don't want huge, big, baggy sweats because, you know, it might just cause issues. It might get stuck in a machine or, you know, it just has its own problems. But a good, nice fitting pair of sweats that are nice and wide-legged and not cuffed. Do not get them cuffed sweats or any of that. Avoid the cuffs. It doesn't matter what color, just don't get like some crazy color like, I don't know, yellow sweats. I mean, unless you can rock, you know, the yellow sweats, you got, it's always good to stay to the like original base, just dark colors like black or brown or, you know, that kind of way. As for your shirt, obviously you're not gonna pull up flies in a leather jacket to the gym or some crazy really warm hoodie. I mean, you can pull up a hoodie, plenty of people do it. In fact, it makes you sweat more, so you know, might be a beneficial thing. But if you're gonna wear a hoodie, make sure it's fly, okay? Like I got like this Ed Hardy hoodie. Like, I mean, if I wanted to, I could pop out in the gym with it. It's the only thing is it's got like a bunch of pins and like studs and like paper clips, stuff like that. But that's just an example. As for your shirts, it's honestly free reign. You could go plain shirts, add in a little necklace, or maybe like me, I just threw on this little rosary and I have it over this tank top, okay? And I got these leopard sweats on with my black Adidas, and then I had my hat on. It's still, I'd say, visually appealing and, you know, nice, little drippy, but it's also not like doing too much, you know? I'm not like going crazy, you know, but you know, I'm a little extra, you know, obviously had to throw in a little bracelet. You don't have to do that. Free reign on the shirts. Honestly, I recommend dabbling in some graphic tees, you know, some nice designs, maybe some like band tees even. Now the next part that is very important is your shoes. You're not gonna pull up to the gym in some fucking sandals, okay? Not only is it just gross, weird, no one wants to see your toes, it's also a safety hazard. You know, you could hurt yourself if you drop a bar, if you drop a weight. You could crush your toes, and honestly, who wants to do that? It's terrible. Just stubbing my toe hurts enough, so I couldn't imagine hurting it in that type of way. But yeah, so there's your kind of formulation. And as for the tops, like I said, you could experiment with things other than t-shirts, like tank tops and stuff, like walking around in the gym in tank top. It's normal. It's normal. But yeah, you could also experiment in little small accessories like a hat, you know. So I basically gave you the foundation on how to make a good gym fit, you know. Make sure you stick to the basics. Obviously with, you know, proportions too. You can throw on a little pump cover shirt to, you know, hide your pump, you know, make yourself look big when you take your shirt off and you're just like, ugh! But if you want to, you could also wear tight fitting shirts. Different factors in there that can really affect your gym fit. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope maybe you can learn something new. Maybe, you know, maybe you learned something new, and maybe I helped you improve your gym fits. Okay? Peace. Make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. And like, turn that bell on so you know when I post, okay? And I'll catch you all next time.